Meow. Meow. No, Lola, come here. Oh, this is TVHR. I probably should take it off high definition. Meow. Meow. So every day. And I say every day, I mean absolutely every day. I don't look that bad. I get meowingtons and meowingtons over here demanding. How do you look on camera? The screen's turned towards you. You look good in camera? No? Okay. Cat's not interested in how good he looks on camera. Meow. 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 At least they're cute, right? Like, at least the cats are cute. I need to wash that. Okay, this totally failed miserably. I was gonna like turn on the camera, pull it out early, and take a bunch of video recordings and be weird and odd. Okay, let's see. Because it's customary on my videos for me to announce what date it is. It is June 12th. And today is a bonfire that my friend is throwing because she hasn't been out and about and outside of her house recently because she's been going to college for culinary arts and food and a bunch of other weird stuff. And I need to go take a shower and... Meow! Meow! My cat's the best. Meow! Look at his eyes. Ain't his eyes pretty? You got pretty eyes. Now he's like, what's this? What is this? What is that? This is a really nice definition if the video actually comes out like this. But it might not actually come out like this, so... I don't know. Okay, I gotta wash your little thing, and then I'll give you food. But yeah, so I'm gonna actually, like, for the first time, check out how this camera looks and how it runs. And, like, I really like that screen. That's a nice screen. I like the fact that I can flip the screen back and forth. So then I can have it this way so I can watch it. Or if I have you this way, I can flip it over. And it's... I'm such a nerd with my gadgets and gizmos. See, look like that. Or like that. Oh my gosh. And there's a mirror right there, so I can see it both ways. Yes! I'm far too easily amused. So yeah, today is gonna be a little bit adventuresome, and the cats, and bonfire, and awesome people. So I'm gonna stop recording this. I'm gonna try to change the settings to less definitions in there, and it's I don't have to upload a 5 gig video file, but yeah. Okay, I'll wash your dish now.
Wait, and so I was like...
We have a rating dog. Wait, hold on, turn around, show the cute fur ball.
Oh my god.
I'm weird. Alright, so we're off an adventure.
Yeah.
So sad.
Wait, what? So I have Dakota, I have Batman, and I have Sarah. You know what's so awesome about this camera? You can flip the screen and watch yourself, so I don't have to be staring.
I feel a little awkward.
So, why?
Watching myself on camera.
But everybody likes to watch themselves on camera. And...
It's like someone else is taking a selfie for me, but then technically it's not a selfie.
Oh. Oh, okay, now I understand. Okay. No, I really don't. Alright.
Let's stop by that place and put a couple pieces of wood back here. That way we're not completely empty-handed.
And where is this place at?
Right off Bedarabia.
It's right off Bedarabia.
Oh, no, Sarah's house.
We're going to Sarah's house?
Yeah.
Yes,
You have one at your
easier and
house?
more legal.
You have one at your house?
I do.
Look, you can see yourself in my camera.
I can.
Huzzah.
Hello, self.
Hello, self.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, gas monies. Okay.
Which door is this?
This is my mom. This is the Jeep. And we have the Jeep today because my stepdad took my car to the casino and never came back.
He's getting drunk.
So, he probably is.
It's okay, we're gonna get drunk too.
Okay. Alright. So, we drive now.
Why would you walk? Now people are gonna think they're in the way.
Well,
Because everyone
do the
is in
whole
the way.
motion thing and see if he'll honk his horn.
Why
stick your arm out the window and pump it.
Slow down.
I don't have to pause, I just slow down. He's right there.
Dude, dang it.
Like roll the window all the way down, lean out, and hey, you, honk your horn. We were driving from Santa Maria to like Santa Barbara in a school bus one time for a school function.
Smells like burnt rubber.
And the semi-truck was pulling up alongside the back of the bus. So one of the kids in the back leans out and gets him to honk his horn. And the perspective from the back of the bus looking forward was amazing as everybody rose 2 feet.
Story time with Kyle.
Story time with Kyle. Oh, you're recording. Wait,
Yes.
did you record the entire story or not?
Yes.
You did.
I'm not that completely stupid.
I never said you were. It's just funny. As I'm telling a
Recording
story.
for a minute and 9 seconds.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess it's a story time with Kyle then.
Yep, story time with Kyle.
You should point it directly behind us and show off this really nice
Happy
picture.
Turned into excitement about story time now.
Yay, story time.
Story time about how
We
it's
don't like
story time.
we don't have story times when we're older. Like, why don't we have story time anymore when
It's
we're
called
older?
face-
It's called shit talking.
It's called shit talking in Facebook.
Or when you're on the phone and you don't know what else to say, so you say, tell me a story.
Tell me a story.
Oh, half of it.
There's not enough stories in the world.
No. Block warning.
What?
What?
It's the beach. Carry you. Check out my new camera. It's snazzy and it makes me happy.
Everybody, this is Sarah.
Hello, everybody.
This is Dylan and Travis.
Nice to meet you guys. That one.
How's it going?
Pretty good. How are you?
Super.
That's Kyle.
That's Dakota.
Stop looking at me, Kyle.
So these are Sarah's leggings, and they are extremely bright compared to everything else on this beach. I really like the definition of this camera.
The whole video is going to be you talking about how much you like the camera.
Yes, the whole video is going to be me talking about how much this camera is so amazing.
You're like, oh, look at that huge fire. This camera's awesome.
Look at that huge fire. This camera is awesome.
It'll be good. Okay. What time? Nothing kinky though.
How we party at the beach.
Yeah, I'm not. Nothing special.
You're better than I am. As the wind blows away all the hoops.
Yeah, seriously, I didn't know it would go there.
Nice.
I like just got that one a few days ago.
French tea and the tortilla. Like, just make like really big green.
Well, they got this in damn good breakfast. I know that. But the thing is, though, is that like, you know, a lot of times, like, especially like panda, I don't know, you know, like you dip your fingers in the grease, like.
Okay, I can't resist that.
French fries.
Yeah, I'm a fiend for French fries.
Everybody's got their wings fun.
Yeah. I can say no to anything else, but French fries like that's.
Yeah, dude, Frank's, you might like it. I don't know. I had these three friends. They're all siblings. So my friend Tina, my friend Laura, Billy, all work there. All of them. Oh, you know Primo.
Yeah, I know. I work with them every
Primo was
morning.
the dishwasher at, okay, you know new friend of yours? Yeah, how just okay, well, I worked with him. I didn't think the one would actually do anything.
But yay, Sarah can hoop! Yeah!
Like after it's like melting.
I guess it's the last stand of the praying mantis. Why
Looks
are
like
these
it's climbing,
people
honestly.
playing?
It looks like a god.
If David Attenborough were here to narrate this happening right now, I'd be like,
Just add Morgan Freeman, we'd be
Kings
alright.
versus
Let's play.
Just add Morgan Freeman, we'd be alright. We'd be alright.
They don't know the rules.
last stand.
I was like,
It's like it's chilling right now.
Anytime we played like basketball and stuff, he's like, oh, okay, skip.
It's the moon.
I just got some jerky, dude.
Oh, bright white globe. It's just another sun.
Kind of, not really, but it's alright. Brandon, nice to meet you.
Hey, wait, what is your name?
Brandon.
Oh, Brandon.
That'd be cool if you could do that. You'd be like Ghost Rider. you just like came out.
Hey, the park's ruined.
Yeah, I'll wait for that one.
That water's getting rid of it.